What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can delete all the liked video on YouTube at once. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do, first you have to open up the YouTube app. So after opening the YouTube app, you will land on this page. Then you have to go to your profile. After going to profile, you have to click on this liked video option, playlist, just like this. Please guys, make sure you have watched the full video and follow every step that I'm going to show you. So after doing so, what you need to do, you have to find the videos that you wanna remove from your liked videos. So if you want to delete all the videos at once, what you have to do, you have to click on the video just like this, the three dot bar icon in the top right corner. You have to click on this, then you have to click on remove from liked videos. So by doing so, the video will be removed from your liked playlist. So there is no such options that you can delete all the liked video at once on YouTube. There is no new update of YouTube just like this. So you have to delete all the video manually one by one. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.